Hey guys, here's a room tour you're likely to not soon forget. I'm at the Hotel Tri in Koggalla Lake in Sri Lanka. Um, this is the walkway to my room down this way, and down there is Koggalla Lake. This is what we're looking at down there. Um, yeah, this is the room over there. So let's take a quick walk down there. Oh, if you're wondering, that tower, the top of it has a lounge bar area that lets you see both the sunrise on that side, the sunset over on that side, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Anyways, the first and second floor are apparently rooms. Uh, they call them the lesser rooms, but they also get a view of the sunrise and sunset. But yeah, there are only 10 rooms on this property. It's pretty hidden away in the forest and on this lake, and we're in the Tri Villa, which is the Tree Villa, which is the highest grade room at this hotel. Yes, we have our own little private lounging area with a pool. Um, Listening to monkeys and birds and stuff out here is pretty crazy. Uh, yeah, anyways, let's walk down this way. Some steps here. It's very like rustic in the forest. You really have a feel for being in the place where you are. Uh, yeah, go this way a little bit. It's a little lounging area that we have to ourselves, and a little infinity pool. There's a really large infinity pool up there where the reception lobby area is, but I'll show you guys that another time. Anyways, we have our own little terrace up here, and yeah, let's go up into the room, show you where the cool stuff is. Door. All these key deals. Touch to open. My feet. Hopefully the mosquitoes don't follow me in. Stay out, mosquitoes. Okay. Yeah, it's Hotel Tree spelled TRI, which I don't understand why. Anyways. That in. Think we're good? Yep. That's good. Alright. So, main entryway. That's my bag. Main entryway. Couple umbrellas there. And so hear the birds squawking outside. It's pretty crazy. And our view from this little seating area of the lake. It's pretty crazy. Like, come on, look at that view. And yeah, that was the pool we were looking at earlier. Yeah, so that's that. And a little mirror reflecting what you're seeing out there. Oh wait, I can go that way, but it's a big step. We've got steps here that take you down into. We pulled all the stuff off the bed, by the way. That's why it's there. Pillows and the foot cover thing. Anyways, yeah, so that's the bed up there. And I'm actually in the middle of my work day. Yeah, that's the view from the bed. There's a little seating area up there. It's pretty crazy how this is set up. Like, you've just got like your own private view of bamboo shoots and the lake. Anyways, yeah, so blown away by how insane this place is. We've got our own router for our own Wi-Fi, so the signal should be good. So far, it's been okay. Yeah, some snacks and stuff, and we've already made a bit of a mess, as you can tell. Here's the washroom. My flip-flops here. His and her sinks, giant mirror, lighting all around. There's a big sofa tub right in the center, and then there's the shower. Yeah, I had to wash my feet earlier. It's all stone, which is pretty dope. Yeah, there's a rain shower head up top, and a lawn shower if you want that, and some shower stuff, soaps and whatever. Yeah, I love the stone shower surface. It's really nice. It's super like abrasive. And yeah, little toilet closet, pretty standard stuff, and the door, and yeah, that's the washroom. What does this look out to? Oh, this looks out to this like a random I don't know, nothingness, like plants and stuff. Yeah. Anyways, so that was a not so quick room tour of the tree villa at Hotel Tree in Koggalla Lake. Hope you guys enjoy it. See you guys later.